noticed maybe, well, I'm just starting a new vlog this weekend. Oh my God, they starting it. That cat knocked over my plant. I'm gonna kill him. Anyways, it is Saturday. It's the weekend of the storm that's supposed to be coming, y'all. We're supposed to get bad weather. It really hasn't started here yet, but they say it's going to start tomorrow. We're going to get the bulk of it. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to get focused here. But tomorrow we're going to get the bulk of the bad weather. So I have just, I'm going to put out a video today. I know I was supposed to put it out Thursday. Then I thought I was going to be able to put it out Friday. But y'all, that video was almost 2 hours long. That vlog. So I hope y'all watch it. I hope y'all do. I edited, but it wasn't a whole lot of pretty graphics or details and all that. But it's up. It's going to be up today. Something for y'all to watch during this time. I know a lot of people are going to be experiencing this storm in all parts of the country, not just here in the South, but other places that would normally get this kind of weather. So, yeah. I am editing and also watching YouTube, you guys. So, I just did my Bible study. My Bible recap. If y'all haven't done that, you should try it. That Bible recap is a game changer. But yeah, you guys should try it. I'm trying to put my little what is this thing called? My thing. My mist for my fragrance. I'm sorry. And I think I want to put it up here by my plants in my office, but I don't know. I really don't feel like reaching back here for this plug. But okay, I can probably do it. We'll see. But yeah, we are starting the weekend vlog. We're gonna be inside. I don't plan on going anywhere, and that is my plan, y'all. That's the plan I said. I said I don't plan on going anywhere, but we know how it is with plans. But I don't. I really don't plan on going anywhere, y'all. So I'm inside all day. Y'all might see me in this robe and pajamas all day with my glasses. Probably not gonna put on any contacts because I'm not going anywhere. And we don't know if church will be canceled because I think we'll get a message tonight at 6 or before to let us know, because like I said, tomorrow it's supposed to be bad. But yeah, the video is processing now. Hopefully I won't have to go back in and redo the stuff because the video was so long. I don't know, y'all. But it's processing, so it should be up today for you guys to watch. But yeah, let me try to put this somewhere. And this weekend vlog would be in the house all day. So we don't know what we're gonna do. But whatever it is, y'all gonna be with me. If I go to church tomorrow, y'all will know. But let me put this up somewhere and I'll return. I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, guys. This thing is not tracking me like I want it. Okay, I found somewhere to put it. I'm going to put, I think I'm going to put this scent in there. These are from Walmart. They're Old Mainstay. This one is Better Homes and Garden, but that's not the one I'm going to put in. I'm going to put this one in there. And I put it over here right by my plant. Y'all probably can't see it. It's right here. The thing is not on it yet. Hold on, y'all. Let me put the stuff in here. And then put this in here. And I'll put this lid on. Okay, so we got that on there, and we're gonna turn it on, and hopefully, there it is. Do I want to keep it one color, or do I want to let it switch up? Let me see. That's red. I think I want to do green, since it's over here by my plants. Yeah, that's cute, right? Put it right there. And it's on. Y'all don't see the steam because I don't. But it is on, so that's pretty, right? Okay, so yeah. I don't know who put him here, but we'll leave him there. And while we're over here, look at my beauties. And this one is coming down really good, growing. I thought it was on this last leg, but it's hanging in there. This one, too, is growing a new baby here. Yeah. That's my pothos, too. It's really, really doing this thing. And then I got another monstera here. Well, not another one, but my monstera, I had to put this stick in it so it'll grow up. I put something together, y'all. But this one I got from my mom's funeral. You know, when people give plants, I got this one from her. So yeah, I got it going, and it's like I don't see the steam like I want, but I can hear it, so hopefully it'll start doing something. So yeah, here I am, guys. But yeah, that's what I'm doing this weekend. Nothing. I am not doing anything. I'm staying in because, as you know, this is my weekend off. So I'll be home all weekend unless we have church tomorrow. Then I go back to work on Monday. So yeah, guys. But right now, let me watch. Okay, it's completed and all of it is on here. You know, that's what I be afraid of sometimes. It's Saturday. I know a good day for me to post is on Thursdays. I think it is Saturdays too. But I'm going to put this out today, and hopefully we'll get people watching and new subscribers. So yeah, I'm going to publish it. And it's going to pop up right now. So, yeah, y'all watch it. Watch it. All right. I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey, guys. In the kitchen. we going to every room today, evidently, because this is all I'm doing. But I'm finna have my first meal or first food of the day since it's after 10. I'm just going to eat an apple One of these sweet and delicious apples. And I am a little shaky. I think that coffee is doing something. I don't know. But yeah, I'm a little shaky. But I'm still chilling in the office. I got the vlog up, y'all. So y'all watch it. But I'm just still chilling today. About to eat this apple and yeah, just coming in, checking in. And that's what I'm going to be doing all day, y'all. Checking in and out, in and out. So, I don't know. This vlog may or may not be very long. We're going to see. But, yeah, I'll be back. Hey, guys. Looks like this is kind of turning into a what I eat in a day, too. But I'm having this cottage cheese doubles. It's the strawberry one. They are good. The strawberry is really good. I had peach, too, but the strawberry tastes better. And it's 13 grams of protein in this one little thing. So, I'm having my protein this morning. This is just my snack. Yeah, I know I had an apple earlier. And I'm going to have this now. It satisfies my sweet tooth. It's 130 calories for this. So, I'm going to get some more. I got these from Kroger's. I'm sure other people sell it too. But they had at Kroger's for... what was it, 3 for $4? I put that in my last vlog, so y'all go and watch. But that's what I'm eating right now. I don't know what I'm gonna have for lunch, which I probably won't eat that until around 1 o'clock or so, maybe later. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, just checking in, y'all. Still waiting for this storm to hit, and we've been getting a little rain off and on, but nothing too serious. It's kind of cold. Of course, I think it'll get cold later. It's like 40 degrees here, which, you know, not too bad. So, I just got off my live on YouTube. You guys, I'm almost at my 200 subscribers. I'm one away, so... y'all need to get on here and subscribe if you're not already. So, yeah. That vlog is almost 2 hours, like I said. So, hopefully we'll get some traction. And people will watch and want to subscribe. So, I hear people like long vlogs. I do. Especially depends on who it is and what I'm doing. Some people I will watch and watch and watch. But, yeah. I'm going to finish my cottage cheese, and I'm going to come back on here, y'all. I'll be back. Hey, guys. We're back. We about to... my daughter got some dill pickle hot Cheetos, and I'm about to taste it.
Okay, it's not bad.
Is it good?
Yeah.
You sure?
I like it.
Is it good?
Yeah.
What you give it out of 10?
That maybe because I like pickles. Probably.
I thought they said you don't need to eat no hot chips.
Probably a 7.
A 7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want more.
I don't think I can. I need another one just to be on the sure side. She got her whole handful out.
Thank you.
Let me just put my hand in it.
Oh, yeah. Uh-huh.
I can taste the pickle and the spicy. It's not bad.
I do like it.
They're not hot.
I like them.
I like them. I give it
I'm gonna get these on the back.
I give it a 6 out of 10.
They don't taste like that to me.
They really don't. I can taste the pickle though. And the flaming, but they not spicy at all.
I can taste the pickle.
They don't even taste like plain Cheetos. They just taste like nothing.
Yeah, they're
I
pretty
can
good,
say-
but I don't know if I would buy a big bag of them.
I'm not buying these no more.
I
I just want to get it to try it.
Yeah.
think I would buy a big bag of it.
It sounds like you would.
I would.
I don't think I
I'm
would,
just
though.
gonna stick with my lime.
They're
Cheetos.
good.
You like them.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna stick with the lime hot Cheetos. It's not these.
Yeah.
What was my rating? A 7? I said 6.
I
No,
give
I said
I give it a 6.
I give
They
it a
good, but they're not spicy.
I was 7.
You give it a 7?
Yeah.
5. I give it a 5.
I wouldn't buy them, but if somebody else had them, I would eat them. I'll put it that way.
Yeah.
So yeah, they're pretty good. What you give it, Caitlin?
A 5.
A 5?
Yes.
And you the one bought them.
Cause I want to try it, but they don't taste like nothing. It just
And them turkey bites,
Cheetos.
I'm not gonna buy them turkey bites right now.
Oh yeah, she had some turkey bites. She let me have a bag because she didn't. They were what were they? Honey.
Mhm.
They
Those
was
nasty
okay.
Too. They taste like plastic.
Yeah, I tasted those too, and they were not. I wouldn't buy them. I give them a 3 out of 10.
I give it
I like the plain turkey bites. But yeah, I ate them because she paid for them, but I wouldn't buy them.
You can throw them away.
No, I'm not. I could have gave some to the dog, so.
Yeah.
But yeah, they were okay. But the Cheetos was pretty good.
I don't see no snow outside.
We probably won't. We're not getting the bad weather until tomorrow, I think. Yeah. So yeah, y'all. We still in the house. We inside.
We not outside. We not outside.
Hey guys, I'm back. I am having my lunch now. So this is pretty much of what I eat in a day, kinda. And y'all do know I am tracking my calories. I mentioned it in my last vlog, and it is definitely a game changer. Hold on, I'm trying to get this sandwich. I'm actually making a hot ham and cheese sandwich. I have it on a stove. This is what I'm cooking, y'all. It's toasted. I got the cheese on it. It's like grilled cheese with meat. I know my stove kind of nasty, but it's okay. I gotta wipe it off some more. But this is what I'm having. So yeah, and then I'm having my chips. Let me show y'all those. I'm having some flaming hot chips. Yeah, I know it may not be good for you, but hey, it's life. And this is I did weigh it, so that's 1 serving, and that's a lot of chips. You know, that's a lot of chips. So that's 28 grams. And on the package it says 28 grams or 17 chips. I don't know. This looks like a little bit more than 17 chips, but it did weigh at 28 grams. So that's all that matters. And the ham and cheese sandwich with the chips is a total. My lunch is 370 calories. So yeah, guys. And the wheat bread, you know, the sandwich. I use wheat bread, not white bread, and it has a bit more protein in it. So far today, with breakfast and lunch, I've only eaten 34 grams of protein, and I need more than that. But it's okay. We gonna eat it, and we gonna love it. So, yeah. Where's my bread stuck to there? Oh man, I hate that. Hopefully I'll eat the whole sandwich. If not, it is what it is, y'all. So this is what my lunch is looking like. Chips and sandwich. That's my lunch. And My husband bought some alkaline water yesterday. He bought a bunch of them. He bought, okay, this is how big it is. $1. $1 for this. I'm gonna try to drink all this today. But I'm gonna eat and then I'll have my water later because I can't eat it all at the same time. So yeah, and I don't know if I told y'all, but the app that I use is called Berrytastic. It's the app I got when I had my surgery. I've had it for that long. My surgery was in 2022. It's been 3 years, and my weight is still off, and I want to get more off, but I am still 91 pounds down, give or take a few. 91 pounds down if I was 155. So I'm trying to get to my goal weight. But so far today, 665 calories. So yeah, those are some of my macros, you guys. I'm gonna get there with the fasting that I do every morning, and then I don't eat lunch till around 1 or 2. That's good. You know, for my breakfast / snack, I had the cottage cheese and the apple, and I tasted couple of the girls' chips, but that I don't count that as anything. But yeah, I am doing the thing. So today is turning into pretty much what I eat in a day and counting my calories and things. So yeah, this is gonna be pretty good. Hopefully y'all will get something out of this vlog. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I'll eat my food and I'll be back in a minute. All right, guys, what is up? It's what, a couple hours later after I had my food. I'm not hungry, but I'm about to start drinking on this water. Y'all think I can finish this up? I don't know, but I'm about to drink it, start drinking it. So yeah, it is it's 1.5 liters of water, y'all. And I'm going to, I'm going to try to drink most of it, if not all of it, because I got till all day. I'm going to be peeing. I don't know. You can't, if you're a water drinker like me, can't you taste the different flavors of water? Or not flavors, but if they taste different than others, yeah, they do. But it's good water. Yeah, I think I'm gonna finish this up today. I don't know why it's good. It's good. But yeah, guys, I'm starting to drink my water. And did I tell y'all my husband got the water from Dollar General? You know I love water. That's all I drink. But he actually got a few of them just in case stuff goes bad here with the storm coming. So yeah, we are just making sure everything will be okay. You know, making sure things are fine. I'm trying to actually get a few thumbnails. But yeah, that we're still not experiencing too much. It looks like it's a little bit of drizzle out there. That's it so far. And it's only 2:36, not even 3 o'clock yet. So we are still chilling in the house. So, yeah. I was thinking about going back on YouTube live, guys. I don't know. Since I don't have anything else to do, I was thinking YouTube live. You know what? I want some cold coffee, and I don't feel like getting out, but I do want some. Maybe I can make my own. I do have an espresso machine in there. Espresso, I can make some coffee, and I can put ice in it, and it won't get all watered down. But do I want some espresso and be up all night? I'll just get a little bit of it. How about that? I think I will. But anyway, I don't know. We'll see. I will come back on here later. And I may come on with a little snack. I don't know. I'm still not hungry, especially if I'm going to be drinking all this water. So, yeah. I'll be back, y'all. Okay, guys. I'm back. I'm having another snack. I'm having some almonds. It is 6 grams of protein and 170 calories per serving. And the serving is 1 ounce or 28 grams or about a fourth a cup. But I weighed it, but mine wasn't 28. It was 25. So I'm going to put that in my tracker. Like, yeah, I'm putting everything in here. I'm trying to be up on it. It's so hard to get to 145. I just don't understand why. And I know it's because at first I don't think I was in that calorie deficit, but I'm in it now. So I'm working on it, y'all. I'm working hard on it too. And with this, I can actually scan the barcode. And, yep, I can scan the barcode. And that makes it so much easier too. So now I'm at, altogether, I'm at 816 calories for the whole day so far. And I hadn't had dinner, so my dinner has to be lower in calorie. And I'm at 40 grams of protein. So I'm doing pretty good, y'all. I'm hoping I can get to my protein goal. I'm trying to get to at least 80 grams of protein today, but I don't know if I'm going to get it. So, yeah. I was just getting on here to show y'all what I'm eating now. I'm having almonds. They're the roasted and salted almonds, and they're from the Dollar General. They're good, too. So, yeah. It's a healthy snack. Only 5 grams of carbs in that if you're looking at your carbs, too. If you're looking at all your macros, we're talking 170 calories per serving. 5 grams of carbs, 6 grams of protein, 16 grams of fat, 95 milligrams of sodium. So, not too bad, y'all. So, yeah. I am taking y'all with me on this journey, too. So, y'all gonna have to hold me accountable. I gotta get to this 145 by March. So yeah, I'll be back, y'all. Hey guys, I'm back to show y'all what I'm eating for dinner. I'm eating a baked potato with sour cream and chives with some salsa and some ranch dressing. Let me show y'all what it looks like. It don't look all that good, but trust me, it's good. Only thing I'm missing is the cheese. But here's my baked potato. It's a medium-sized one, not real big. And hopefully I'll eat it all. But if not, we'll just save it. And so with all that, so far I still only have 44 grams of protein. In my calories, I'm at 1,097. So I'm at or right at my calorie deficit. Almost. I put my calorie deficit for 1,300. Well, 1,200, but yeah. So if I eat a snack, that will take me over. But it's 6:18 and I stopped eating at 8 o'clock. So I should be good. And I'm just going to finish up this water. I drank this much water so far, y'all. I'm doing good. I'm going to finish this bottle by the end of the night, I'm sure. Because it's still so early. So, yeah. That's what I'm eating for dinner, guys. And I'll be back. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday morning. I don't know if I mentioned it yesterday, but our church didn't have service today because of the weather. It's no snow or nothing here. It's just really cold and a lot of rain. So some stuff may be iced over. I don't know. But I'm not getting out there to find out. But yeah, I am up about to fix my morning coffee. And today I'm going to attempt to do something that I haven't done before. I'm going to attempt to make some homemade biscuits. We have everything that we need for it. I have some half and half. I have flour. I have baking powder, and all the things. So we're going to make that. We're going to attempt to make some biscuits. First time. Yeah. I'm about to be that mama. But I need to clean up this kitchen first before I do any of that. Any cooking or anything. If y'all like me, y'all know y'all don't want no nasty kitchen while you cleaning. While you cooking. And when I cook, I clean as I go. But my husband, nope. He don't do it. He have grease splattered all on the stove and everything. And he don't clean up. He say he did, but he don't. But anyway, let me get to clean up this mess and I'll be back, y'all. got the kitchen all straightened up. But I'm not about to cook just yet. It's only a little after 10. I'm just now getting my coffee. I like to have everything done before I drink my coffee. Coffee, when I'm at home, I like to drink it relaxed. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be sitting there thinking about having to do something after I have my coffee. I don't know if that makes sense to y'all, but it make a little bit of sense to me. I like to relax while I have my coffee. Go in my office and read my Bible recap for today. I'm gonna do that. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing while I have my coffee. So I will see you guys in the next clip. So yeah, I'll be back. Hey guys, we are finally getting a little snowflakes here. The kids been waiting on it for who knows why, but it ain't enough to really, well, we don't know if it's enough to stick yet, but it's not sticking. So let me see if y'all can see. Can y'all see a little bit of it? Y'all probably can't see it because it ain't enough. It's not enough to even show up on camera, I don't think. But it is some snow here, so school is already canceled. We already got the message, so they're not having school tomorrow, and you know they're excited about it. But guess what? I still got to go to work. How about that?
Oh, it's cold. Jesus.
Yeah, they say it feel like 21, but it's like 30 something. So yeah, it's here, y'all. The snow is here, and I'm about to go in here and get my biscuit stuff together. I'm gonna make some homemade biscuits. So yeah, she been waiting on it. She been on the phone with her friends, and they've been getting snow.
What the heck is this though?
That's snow. All right, I'm about to start making this. Making the biscuits. So I'm gonna tell y'all what the ingredients are, and then I'll just start fixing it with music over it, I think. So we gonna have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, cold, that's 8 tablespoons. I got mine in here, so it's gonna be in tablespoon. And then a cup of half and half, or you can, if you don't have half and half, you can use milk and milk and heavy cream. Yeah, milk and heavy cream if you don't have half and half. I got some half and half, thank God. I got all the ingredients I need. And then you need 1/2 tablespoon of melted butter to just brush on the biscuits. So that's what I'm about to do. And then I'm gonna put it in the oven for what is it, 15 minutes, I think. 15 minutes on the prep time is 15 minutes, cook time is 15 minutes. And we're going to put it on, let's see, 450 for 12 to 15 minutes. And we're going to use parchment lined baking sheet. So yeah, that's what we're about to do. Let me get this going, and I will be back, y'all. about to eat. My biscuit turned out good. Here it is right here. I got honey butter on it. I put honey on it. They were a hit. But we're having breakfast for dinner today. So we got eggs, bacon, and pork chops and rice. So I probably want to eat my pork chop. I might just eat the bacon. And I may not eat all of it. I'm gonna let y'all see my plate. That's it. Here's bacon, eggs, rice and gravy, biscuit, and pork chops. Old school dinner, y'all. I remember my mom and dad used to cook like this for dinner too. So yeah, old school dinner, quick, easy meal. Bacon was cooked in the air fryer. My husband he cooked the pork chops on the stove. He kind of sauteed them. And I got a rice cooker, so no dishes hardly was messed up. So gravy, homemade, use the pot for that. Everything is good. So yeah, I'm going to come back on here a little later, guys. I'll be back. Hey guys, I'm coming back on here to close out the vlog. I almost forgot about y'all. I almost forgot. But I was like, no. Let me go on here, close out this weekend's vlog. I hope y'all were safe and warm from the storms. I'm praying for y'all, and God willing, we're all good and we're all safe. We're safe in this house, but y'all pray for me because I got to get up in the morning and hit them streets, and hopefully them streets are okay for me to drive on. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Hit that bell so y'all can get all the notifications, everything. So when I upload a new vlog, you won't miss it. All right. So I'll see y'all in the next one.